Hello everyone, and it's me again. I just wanted to hop on here because I got an order from Joann's. I'm trying to design my own Volkswagen bus shoulder bag. I've gone through several apps and the problem is I want the side view of a van. I have a bag that I literally I've worn it out. And it was like burlap, and it was more like a tote bag, but I want a side view, so I've been playing with like stitch fiddle. There's some other things, and I'm gonna have to resize because I want to make my own grid so I can make my own pattern. So I ordered yarn for that project. Since then, I've placed another order because I wanted some cotton yarn, and then I also I love that Red Heart Unforgettable, so they had 3 packs of it for $9.99, and I got 2 of those, and I believe it's heirloom, but I just placed that order. This just came today. But before I do that, this is where I'm at with I've finished all the squares for my colorful, because I wanted all different colors, that I got that little Premier little bitty skeins. I don't know if you can see this, but so far, because it's going to be 5 rows down, 6 rows across, I believe. No, it's 6 down, 5 across. Duh, it's right in front of me. But I've sewn all of these up vertically, and I have 12 more in there sewn. I'm almost finished. I've got 2 more to sew on to have vertically, and then I'll have another row, and then I'll start doing the horizontal join. And it's a really neat join. I'm using the same join that I used for the, that's the back side, that I used for the teddy bear blanket, and it makes a really nice join. And this is supposed to have like a concave or convex. This is that tutorial from Crochet with Tiffany. So there is that. And this was just, let me check my camera. Okay, this is a hot mess, but I had, when I was going through and trying different grid things, I ran across this already existing pattern by someone. I just used, excuse me, my allergies are still, people are cutting hay around here. You know, God bless the farmers, but whew, all of our allergies are killing us right now. I went to the dentist and she was like, your throat's very red. And it's just, you know, anytime I go and they check me for strep, excuse me, it's always negative. But it's just from all of this allergy stuff. But so I wanted to use some scrap yarn just to see, could I do this? I like the looks of this, not like it is, because you're supposed to put on headlamps. And again, the colors I want to use for my Volkswagen bus bag is not this. I just used this to see, okay, could I do this? And you know, it'll have, when it's done, it has headlamps, and then it has a little symbol here that says VW. And again, wrong colors, not really supposed to use those colors. And then from what I'm understanding, the strap is what this body gets sewn to, because it matches up with the, so worst case scenario, I will make it like this. I was just playing to see if I can't get the other figured out. I don't have Excel. Some people do it in Excel. I had a trial version of Excel on here, but I never purchased the full thing because I don't use Excel. But I got to resize some images and play with some of these. There's a lot of apps out there. There's Stitch Fiddle, Stitch Board, I think. And what you do is you make a sample to get the gauge of what you're going to make, and then you insert your photo, and then you put in the, you know, the parameters of how big you want your project. So these are the colors. This is going to be too big. I'm going to have to move it down. That I got for that. I love this color. This is the Big Twist. I've never tried it. It's Joann's value yarn. I guess it's like equivalent to, seems like it might be softer than Red Heart value yarn. It feels it. Yeah, ooh, that's a lot softer than like the Red Heart Super Safer, but it's 100% acrylic, 380 yards. It's a 4 weight. Calls for a 5mm crochet hook, machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry flat. So this is the color that I wanted. This and an orange. Obviously, I'm going to want the orange too. I've had more than one bag. Yeah, more than one purse with a bus on it. This is, so I got the black, obviously, for like the tires. Yeah, this is a lot softer, and this stuff was on sale for, I don't even know if it'll tell me. And then I got the white. It's all the same stuff. And then I got a gray for like the hubcaps or whatever. Here's the orange. And I didn't know if it would be too bright. So I got 2 skeins of that. And 3 skeins. I wanted the body of my bag to be like an off-white. I don't know, I may have to change that. So I think this is called, it cracked me up, it was like mushroom or something. Where's it at? I don't even know if it tells. Am I missing it? Yeah, color mushroom. So I don't know if that'll work because of the gray. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think. That's a scary thing for me. So this is just varsity orange. And I believe this is aqua, of course, black, white. Soft gray. Durr. And then I have never tried Karen Simply Soft, and they had it on sale. Ooh, that looks like a nice yarn. I've never tried this brand. That's more the color that I'd really like to have. And if I'm not mistaken, I ordered some of this in cotton, this color. When I get that, I'll have to. I thought I had a ticket thingy down here, but I guess I don't. So I'm working on working on that. Yeah. because I want 2 bags. I want one with an orange bust, and I want one with an aqua colored bust. And I had to have some testing done, some nerve tests, and I'm kind of bruised up from, well, I only had it on this arm, where they put the needles in and those electrode thingies. So there is that, and those are currently the things that I'm working on, other than some washcloths. That's what, or dishcloths. That's why I got the cotton. And then I think I also got some, they had a sale on their iron on vinyl for the Cricut and, well, yeah, the Red Heart Heirloom Simply Soft, because after I got that before in the mystery box or whatever, I love that yarn. So I got 6 skeins of it coming to me at 3 for $9.99. I mean, you just can't beat that for a quality yarn. So yeah, I'm gonna try this if mine doesn't work, but it won't look like this. But you know, there's the back. I think that's the back. Heck, I don't even know. It may not be. This may be the back. And I carried my cream too far or too long. This is the back. So again, I was just trying to figure out what, now when I carried the cream here, you can't see it as good, but if I'm not mistaken, this would be the front. Then you got the little flap, and you would put a an emblem here, which is done separately, and then you do the headlights and the tail lights and all that stuff, and then you make the handle. And I'm pretty sure the handle is going to go, like I said, you know, there's the handle strap, and then you attach this to the sides. And so anyway, this is just a practice thing that I did, and if I can't figure out the other, I will make me a couple of these now that I have the colors that I want. So I just wanted to do that unboxing and show you what I'm working on, and I will see you all in the next video.